Hold on to your game controllers, folks, because I've got something that'll supercharge your gaming. Meet the Cooler Master Half 5 Pro high-performance gaming PC, your new best friend. Let's dive straight into the heart of this beast. An Intel Core i5-12400F processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. Imagine handling any game in full HD without your PC breaking a sweat. We're talking butter-smooth 60+ FPS on high settings. And cooling? Cooler Master's got you covered. The Hyper 212 Halo Tower cooler plus the HAF 500 mesh case means your PC stays chill while you bring the heat in your gaming marathons. No sweat, just serious airflow. With a lightning-fast 1TB NVMe SSD, load times are history. And hey, it's not just a performer, it's a looker too. RGB RAM and a sleek design make this rig a visual treat. If you're hyped to step up your gaming setup, why wait? Click the link in the description and level up your gaming life with the Cooler Master Half 5 Pro today.